Wild Talk, the show where science meets imagination. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we got something wildly cool to talk about. All right, so scientists are trying to bring back the woolly mammoth. Yeah, like the big elephant. Like furry, brown. So it lived in the Ice Age, and apparently it might roam the Earth again. And in this episode, we're gonna talk uh, the science behind this crazy idea and explore how DNA, genetics, and chromosomes could make this all possible.
Let's break down how scientists are working to bring back the woolly mammoth. It all starts with DNA, the instruction manual for life. Inside DNA are genes which are located on chromosomes and control traits like fur and body structure.
Scientists are editing elephant DNA using tools to insert mammoth genes, especially ones that control cold weather structures like thick fur and fat layers. These genes tell the body how to function in cold environments.
They're also using RNA, which helps carry out the instructions from DNA by editing and combining the right genes. We might see elephants with mammoth-like features someday. It's like remixing nature's blueprint.
Today we're gonna talk with a geneticist to help us understand how the woolly mammoth might make a comeback. So welcome to the show.
Thanks, and glad to be here.
All right, let's start with the basics. How does DNA play a role in bringing back the woolly mammoth?
So, DNA holds the instructions for every part of an organism. Scientists are taking genes from frozen mammoths' DNA and inserting them into elephant DNA to create new genetic combinations. This creates genetic variation, which is the foundation for traits like thick fur or cold resistance.
Interesting. So how does meiosis relate to all of this?
That's a great question. So during meiosis, cells divide to create eggs or sperm, and the shuffling of chromosomes creates new combinations of genes, adding to genetic diversity. Scientists use the concept to figure out how to mix elephant and mammoth DNA successfully.
What about mutations? Do they help or do they affect anything? Like what?
Well, actually, it's both. Errors in DNA replication, transcription, or translation can cause mutations. Some mutations can help a species adapt, others can be harmful. Scientists have to be careful when editing genes to avoid dangerous mutations.
Are there outside factors that affect this?
Yes, things like radiation or pollution can cause environmental mutations, so which change gene function. That's why genetic editing is done in controlled labs to reduce risk.
So to sum it up, DNA and genes are at the heart of this woolly mammoth project. Scientists use genetic tools to create variation and carefully avoid harmful mutations.
Exactly, and all this teaches us just not about mammoths. It it teaches us how life works at the molecular level. So, and like the small changes that can lead to the big effects or big differences.
Well, thanks for joining us. Remember, listeners, your genes are part of what makes you unique, and they've been shaped by thousands of years of change. Who knows? Maybe in your lifetime, you'll see a woolly mammoth walk the earth again. Yep.